Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one, you can watch on TV. Correct. And number two, do you know it? We can find out. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. We watch a show every night. We watch a show every night. Show. We watch something with a name and a duration. Now we can make a flashcard for show. For TV, we say on. Please make a card like this. Write show up here in the top left corner. S-H-O-W. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here the number, 154 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like O. Show. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob is waiting to cross the street. Bob is waiting to cross the street. Waiting. He cannot cross the street now. It is dangerous. So he must wait. He must do nothing for a period of time. Now we can make a flashcard for waiting. In our program, we also teach to wait for in level 2. Please make a card like this. The basic form is to wait to do something. Please write that up here. Down here, V1. This means verb, level 1. And over here the number, 71 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A, like ABC. W with the lips. Way. Wait. Game over. You did very well today. What does Jennifer watch on TV every night? A show. Very nice. And I'm sorry, but you have to wait to cross the street safely. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, a kind. We say, what kind of? For example. Number 2, can you say it? An idiom. This is in English when we have 2 or more words together. Number 3, to repeat. Yes, it's to do something twice. If you are new, welcome. You can learn English here. You only need 3 things. This is a complete 2-year course, 1,200 words. Please write your language on the other side of the card. Today is Sunday, June 22nd. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.